Okay, let's look at HTML elements. So what is an element? I talked about tags already. So if we put like this kind of code here, I am a tag, and we need to close it. This is a tag. We write the correct code. For example, it could be a paragraph tag. I am a paragraph. So now we have a tag. This is actually the element. So this is the element. We can also have something we call empty elements. And this is an empty element, BR. And this does do a line break. It doesn't have not any closing. It's just an empty element. We put into line breaks. We could just write the end here. We could start call this is the start, and we can put in a HTML element heading 1. We call it intro. So all these elements consist of tags, and as you know, the tags do have a format of left angle bracket, what kind of tag it is, and right angle bracket. And this is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. The closing tags do have a /. So if we build a web page from this, we will need a tag in the beginning called HTML. It does say to the browser this is an HTML document. The browser reads this code and it's read it and it interprets these tags. So the syntax needs to be correct. So if we start with HTML tag, we need also end the HTML tag here, closing tag, and it's in the end of this document. We will know maybe also need to have a head tag. Head, and then we need to close it, and inside the head we can put all kind of stuff. We usually put in something we call title. So take a look at now. The title tag goes inside the head tag, between the opening head tag and the closing head tag. We put, this is the name of the page, the title, and this will be in the if you use tabbed browsing, you will see the tabbed will have this information in the tab in the browser. And this is basically the name of the page, the title. And this is basically intro to HTML. And I close it, and now it's inside head. This kind of element, the title element, that consists of the opening tag and the closing tag, do need to be inside the head element. This is actually not written on the main page main window in the browser. This does this is the name of the page, so it will be in the uppermost window title. It will show it there, and also it will show the intro to HTML will be, if you bookmark this page in your browser, it will be a description to the page that you bookmark. It will be taken from the title tag. So what we do now is to put a body tag beginning, and we close it here because all this information here, we want these elements to be inside the body tag or the body element. So this is now a HTML document and it has a good structure. You could also put it like this if you want. So now you can see basically every element is one on separate lines. This element is also in separate line here, and it has another element inside it. So line number 2 here, you can see you can use this kind of method. And we could save this and then take a look at how it shows in the browser.